Hello there, welcome to our channel Log News again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account on your computer. And now that further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create a Gmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Gmail like this and hit enter. And on the first result there is the Gmail private and secure email at no cost. Click over there, and over here you can see the sign in and the create an account button at the top right corner of your screen or the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on either of these buttons to create an account, and after that you'll be directed to the sign up page of Google. Enter your first name over here like this, and after entering your name over there, enter your username. For me it will be this one, and this username is already taken, so let's go with my this email, and it is valid for me. And guys, pick a username similar or similar to the condition where it is not taken by anybody. And after that, enter your password over here and confirm your password on this empty box. And after that, click on next, and over here enter your phone number, or you can just click on next if you don't want to enter these emails. Enter your recovery email over here, and the recovery email is the email which you will be using if something happens to your account and you have no way to recover it. So better put account or recovery email for your safekeeping of your account. And after that, enter your birth date over here like this. Select your gender over here and click on next. And after that, we're already finished, I think. And after all reading all these privacy terms and conditions by Google itself, click on I agree. And there guys, we have successfully created a Gmail account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.